Well, we have no camera person tonight, but I figured it's a good time to fire up the spool gun and use it on this rack I got behind me. So this is an aluminum rack I'm working on for a coworker of mine for his tire truck. I got some pieces fit up here, so what I'll do is I'll set up the camera, I'll get them cleaned, and we'll bring out the spool gun. So one thing I realized in editing the last video is I didn't even check the auto set. The video that my friend and I recorded was like at 11 o'clock at night. So I didn't realize that inside the machine, there's actually a chart. We open this up here, and we look here, we have aluminum wire MIG parameters. What I would like to try is I think we're gonna go with pulsed MIG. We'll do 1/8 inch, 4043 and 035. So we come over here. We're going to need, well, actually, you know what? It doesn't even give us voltage, so maybe we just try 350. Let's see what it does. All right, we'll go to pulse. Okay, nothing changes. And we're gonna go with, why does it say 350? Well, that's interesting. Oh, we adjust it here. So let's try to get it at 350. This thing is really sensitive. All right, I think 358 is about as close as we're gonna get. I'm gonna take a few minutes, get this cleaned up, and we're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Wish me luck. Audio might not be as good because I have the cover on there, but let's tack it, see what happens. We're just gonna try to tack this back side. I'll make sure it's square, and then we'll tack the top. No. Let's check the top. We'll tack the top and see what happens. That looks a little bit better. I'm gonna move the camera and I'm just gonna weld this whole backside and we'll see how it goes. All right, that wasn't horrible, but it wasn't really that good. So I'm gonna run a couple more and play with some different stuff, see what happens. Okay. I'm going to show you some welds. Don't judge too harshly. Like I said, first time really running a spool gun. This was the first weld, and this was done with pulse. And I don't really care for it too much. This weld was run with pulse. Let's go around to the other side. This weld was ran with just regular no pulse, and it looks a lot better, so I think I'm going to switch and do some more with this. I like these a lot better. I almost feel like I need to whip it forward and back a little bit faster. This here you can see a little screw up. Actually had to fill a hole, and that one didn't look too good. Honestly, after a little while, these aren't looking half bad. As much as I have enjoyed having all of you in the shop tonight, I think it's time to put the camera down and get to work. So follow along for more. Should have some update videos on the Scirocco here soon. I went and picked up some more parts for it, so hopefully we'll be getting onto that and have some more welding content in the future. I think I'm going to build a camera rig for hopefully filming welding. I haven't seen anybody else do that, so we're going to do it together because I have some ideas and I don't know if they're good, but we're going to try them. So if you want to see that, check it out.